So listen to me. So listen to my heartbeat. I'd like to think you understand me, but I never really let go soon. So you never have to ask me. I'ma let my actions tell you the truth. There is nothing I wouldn't go through. And if you need some proof, you can find it in what I do. Listen to me, baby, and I can tell you every day just how much I want you. I've never been good with words, but I went to write this song for you. So listen to me. So listen to my heartbeat. Listen to me. So listen to my heartbeat.
Baby, I need you to listen. Open up your ears, pay attention, let go of your fears. I'm not trying to be that dude that got these people in your business. I'm just trying to love you. Can I get a witness? Oh, let the church say amen. Cause I know that you need a man, and I'm gonna do whatever I can to stop with all the diss and get to the kissing. Baby, you know what you missing, so listen to me.